underground as German buzz bombs exploded above, but they were greeted with a different buzz: mosquitoes. In the 19th century, when London's tube was being dug, a population of mosquitoes colonized the tunnel. They originally preferred biting birds above ground, but since pigeons don't ride the subway, they found a new target: rats, mice, and people. Now, just more than a century later, when the tube dwellers try to mate with their above-ground cousins, it almost never results in viable offspring. The subway spiders are becoming a new species right before our eyes, with different behaviors and different genes. Species are always more likely to emerge when a population gets isolated. Maybe one goes underground, maybe a river runs through them, or maybe one drifts out to sea. Once separated, a different drift occurs: genetic drift. As time goes on,